Okay, here's our pond this year, this winter. It froze over once, but today is a little mild, so it thawed out some. You know, the sun shines on it. There it is. And I put a screen over it this year to catch the leaves, which it did, but now the leaves are froze. Give you up close of what the filter does. Okay. I don't think you can see the fish in there. Down in this hole. Well, I actually do see a fish in there, but I don't think you can. He's shiny and he's down there on the bottom. Okay, there's the backyard. No snow today. Okay, that's it.